Hello everyone, today I'm unboxing a Ledger recovery key. My name is Jutanul Ahmed. If you didn't know who I am, please do consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Let's get on with it. I think that's the fastest tear I've done in my unboxing videos. Hopefully you got some ASMR there. So I got two of these, not just one. There's a multi-pack that you can buy, which is 3 or 2. Basically, because I own the Ledger Stax already, for some reason they were giving a discount, and I found a hack on their website, lol, where I could have bought more than 2 for like, these cost me £5 each rather than the £35 on their website, because I had a Ledger Stax, I believe. But basically, I was able to claim one, yeah, and they basically just pay for shipping. But there was some code thing that you could just keep on buying multiple. I didn't do that. Obviously, I just bought 2. I don't even need more than 1. So I just wanted to show what this hack or loophole was. So obviously, you need to click unlock deal and then connect your Ledger Stax or Flex to the capture stuff. It says that you can take the discount, it's £0. Do buy. Then basically, I've already purchased this, and that's the code that comes up. Anybody can basically copy that code, right? If you have the link, put in the email address, and it says that, oh, I'm not eligible for it because I've already used the offer. However, if you just put in any other email, it lets you use it again. So that's how I had to order 2 with 2 different emails, just random ones. And I was able to, but I do have 2 Ledger Stacks. But then after that, I just got spammed, as you can see, with emails saying that my Ledger is confirmed. It was crazy. Anyway, I'm probably not going to use this. I'll probably give away one, just so you're aware. So do keep in touch. Do subscribe to my channel for that. There's already currently a giveaway that's ongoing on my Discord. There's always giveaways on my Discord. Do join my Discord, discord.gg/jbinzala. Go on to the giveaway tab, and there's always giveaways on there. So do check that out, and do basically for all of my giveaways, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel and click on the participate. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, and basically if you got Rumble, follow me on Rumble as well, but that's not really part of the deal. It's just subscribe to my YouTube channel, because until Rumble gets big, right, then I'll get people to do that. But anyways, I'll leave one to the side because I'm most likely going to give one away, and I want it unopened for you all to enjoy the unboxing yourself. But anyways, let's begin. This is the Ledger recovery key. What is this? Watch one of my unboxing videos regarding the Onekey Lite. Yeah, it's basically that. This only works with the Ledger Stax and the 2 touchscreen ledgers. Okay, the Ledger Flex. Let's open this, see if there's some ASMR. Wow, this reminds me of the Steam Deck. When I unboxed the Steam Deck, it tore like that. No clear tear. Let's read the back actually before we do that. Back up and restore access to your wallet within a few minutes, secured by PIN and secure element chip. This product only works with Ledger touchscreen wallet. So as I said, Stax and Flex. There's other languages there. That's great. Your Ledger wallet spare key. I'll show you the product, and then I'll actually explain what it is and how you do it. That's all that came in there. Right. Put that to a side. This is nice. This actually feels very nice. And I like the fact, oh, this is embossed. So it's debossed. I can feel. This is what security feels. Okay, interesting. This is what security feels like. Feels very velvety. I like it. It's like a business card. This is pretty nice, actually. Wow. It's just that. Scan here to get started. And it's literally just this. I like the background there. This is very nice. The marketing and product here, the way it looks. That was very tight in there. Very tight. I guess you can put which wallet that's for. Trust yourself. And I don't know what that is. That's probably like a code or something for this. But yeah, trust yourself. This is neat product. It's basically got an NFC in it. What it is right, just to explain. When you set up your Ledger Stax or Flex, you basically create a BIP39 seed phrase, right? Normally the BIP39 seed phrase, you'd need to basically put in the seed phrase again if you were ever to recover it, rather than actually writing down the seed phrase, which I still recommend that you do. There's basically an easy way to import your seed phrase. All you would do is when you basically switch on the ledger, you'd basically tap it. So I've actually got my stacks here somewhere. There we go. I've still got my 2 stacks. So for example, well, this is one of them. Sorry, I have to show you. JB adjudicator, lol. Anyways, you would take it out and you would just basically tap it on the back somewhere here, and it's NFC capable, and it basically export your seed phrase into this and the security element chip in both, so it stays encrypted. Do I recommend this? I do actually. If you're using BIP39 and you want to just have a backup of your seed phrase, this is all done offline. That's the main thing. If you lost this, there's a pin as well that you would put in as well to basically import the seed phrase. It's a good product in my opinion. I wouldn't just keep one of these, if I'll be honest. I'd have multiple of them just at different places. Sorry to interrupt the flow of this video, but I did want to mention something that's very important for anybody that's new and that's trying to get into crypto. I actually do one-to-one consulting, okay? It's on my website. You can go on my website and you can book me. This is primarily targeted at people which are trying to get into crypto. They're new and people that want to realistically purchase Bitcoin and stuff. What it's all about is actual self-custody and wealth retainment, protection, what the best way of that is. As I said, this is mainly for beginners. Intermediary people can also join. I give presentations of what the whole concept and subject is about, and then I'm there to help you by holding your hand and basically going through everything with you, just so it's embedded in your mind. Understanding this might be like, oh, it's crazy, it's so much stuff to learn, but the thing is, you will need to learn this. All my content is free on YouTube, so you can learn everything here. However, if you need that extra push, you can book me for one-to-one. I present presentations that I've created myself, and from all of my knowledge, all of my experience, all of the thousands of pounds that I've wasted, that I could have saved, I give you all my tips and tricks. There's been times that one time that I've made a mistake of sending to the wrong network. I teach you about all of this and I go through it slowly one-to-one with you, just so you grasp everything and understand everything, so you can save thousands. It's great. Don't forget, education is something so important to invest in, because in the long term, it'll help you save thousands, 110%. Imagine, I think I've probably wasted around £5,000 in fees and stuff. Imagine I put that into Bitcoin back then. It'd be so much more money now, probably 100k, lol. But anyways, I'm just here to let you know this. Do check my website out, it'll benefit you. Do book these one-to-ones if you're serious about getting into Bitcoin and crypto and actually investing. And yeah, having a chat with me. Book my initial consultation so we can go through what you actually want. But anyways, let's get back to the content. I don't even really look into something called multisig. I've got a video regarding multisig. I wouldn't recommend just keeping one BIP39, especially if you have quite a bit of funds. Look into something called multisig. Look into my Onekey Lite. It's basically the same thing, but this is for Ledger products, right? Onekey is for Onekey products. It's just a solution to use this. One other thing that I would look into is Cryptotag. Cryptotag does a lot of products. All the links on the description below and stuff. The affiliate links, by the way, so I do get a bit of commission from it. But just so you're aware. But Cryptotag is where you can basically, it's a titanium where you pop in the seed phrase. I recommend that. You should have that as a go-to, and then something like this as just quickly. The seed phrase one where you're importing it, that's something for generations, right? Because this is more for everyday use if you're importing seed phrase. I like it. I do like it. I think it's a good product. Onekey's product is good as well. It's just something I think every hardware wallet should have. Trezor should have one. Cold Card's awesome. It's the best Bitcoin wallet that I've seen. They don't have anything like this. Actually, they do have something like this. I've never used it though, because I don't really use these. I'm the type of person that basically doesn't even use my hardware wallets. I literally have a public key and I just save it. The hardware wallets that I do use are Cold Card and this Tangent. Ledger here and there. I don't really, because of all the problems that Ledgers have had with like hacks and stuff. I don't. It's a good product though. It's a good product. I like it. I use it for business. When I say business, I mean obviously I've got companies and stuff, so I use it for that. But anyways, hopefully you did enjoy this video. You enjoyed the product. If you did, make sure you do subscribe to my channel. Do consider subscribing, and do like my Rumble videos as well. Follow me on Rumble, follow me on X, follow me on Primal. Lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.